Little Dreamers TV.
Under a canvas of twinkling lights so bright, a group of friends gears up for the night. They pitch their tents on a soft meadow's floor, camping under the stars, they couldn't ask for more. The sun dips low, painting the sky in hues, as the friends gather round, their laughter ensues. The aroma of marshmallows fills the air, in the quiet woods, where worries are rare. The crackling fire warms the cool night air, as stories unfold, tales to share. They sit on logs, their faces aglow, camping under the stars, a tranquil tableau. With the fading sunlight, the moon takes the stage, casting a soft glow on the night's wide page. The friends gaze up, as wide in delight, at constellations dancing, oh, what a sight! As the night matures, and the fire burns low, they huddle close, hearts all aflow. Nature's lullaby serenades the scene, in the quiet woods, where dreams convene. The owls hoot softly from their treetop domain, as the stars above tell stories, a celestial refrain. The friends share secrets under the cosmic dome, camping under the stars, a second home. The tent's fabric rustles in the gentle night breeze, as the friends settle in, their worries appease. Sleeping bags cocoon them in warmth so tight, in the quiet woods, where dreams take flight. The morning sun peeks through the leafy boughs, as the friends wake up to nature's rouse. They pack their tents with memories so dear, camping under the stars, a cherished frontier. The fire rekindles for breakfast delights, as the friends savor the joy of starry nights. With each bite, tales of the night they share, in the quiet woods, where friendships flare. So, if you wander through a meadow so wide, and hear the call of nature, inviting you inside, pitch a tent, let the stars be your guide, camping under the stars, where dreams abide.